Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make a peanut chutney under 5 minutes at your home for idli, dosa, idiyappam. So so this is the best side dish. So what we have to do, we have to the dry roast these peanuts in a pan, and because we have to remove this skin of the peanut, so that's why we are roasting these peanuts. So I didn't put any oil, guys. So when it becomes cool down, we have to remove the skin of the peanut, and we'll get this roasted peanut in the shop itself, guys, without skin. You can use that one also. So yeah, and we have to wait for at least 2 to 3 minutes to cool down. So after 2 to 3 minutes, I removed the skin of the peanuts. Can you see? It's, so 1 or 2 is left, it's okay. And what I am going to do, I am going to add this peanut in the blender along with the red chilies, a little bit of tamarind, and if you want to add garlic, it gives a nice flavor in this peanut chutney, and coconut also you can add. So yeah, so I'm going to add all these ingredients in the mixie and I will show it to you guys. So I added the peanut, the red chili, and some coconut, and here I'm adding some water so that you can grind this one as a very smooth paste. So the peanut chutney is ready, guys. So it should be in this consistency. Can you see? So this is the consistency, and I added the salt also, and it's time to do the tempering. Take a kadai, add some oil. So I added some sesame oil, you can use any oil. I added some mustard seeds, and here I am adding some fresh curry leaves. And for this recipe, the ink powder is the must. It gives a nice taste in this chutney. So a lot of ink powder you have to add. So the chutney is ready, guys. It's very tasty. If you want to add garlic, you can add the garlic also. Yeah, very tasty. And it's time to prepare dosa. So here I am making dosa, guys, for the dinner. So